I've been getting a lot of comments about the Telegram login issues. People can't receive codes, account get locked, and some say Telegram is the worst app ever. So today I'm gonna be reading out your comments and we shall discover what's really happening at your side. And I'll be giving you the best solution to recover your account fast. So let's dive into it. Our first comment is the user is from Tanzania. If you've watched my previous videos, there is a video that I did about you respond your country and I tell you about your country. Is Telegram illegal in your country or something like that? So this user replied, is from Tanzania, and I replied this comment that the country has no issues with Telegram. So in this case, they should be receiving the code. Now let me tell you this, Telegram prioritizes its app rather than using third party. So the first priority is Telegram will always send the code to your other accounts, like the same account on multiple devices. For instance, if you're using it on desktop, if you're using it on maybe another phone, or you're using Telegram web, Telegram will try to send the code on all those devices. So I advise you to either check your devices or re-request for the code. So my friend from Tanzania and all the people, if you're not even in Tanzania or anywhere in the world, you need to prioritize these devices. Maybe you logged in your Telegram desktop and you forgot. Just go back and check your account on your desktop. You will find the codes right there. But in case it persists, then you try other options, other alternatives. But Telegram is not so much into SMS nowadays. So now our second comment says, the user says, why is it saying I tried too many attempts and they never sent the code? So with this user, I explained that this happens when you request too many codes or enter the wrong code multiple times. Now the solution is you need to just be patient. In simple terms, you need to cool down and wait for around 24 hours or 48 hours before you retry, because the more you try, the more the time is pushed. You just have to be patient in this case. And another thing, try to check if the code has been sent to other logged in devices. You never know, the code may be redirected to the other devices that you've logged in. So try it out. And if it fails, try other options, because there is a list of options that you can try. This user says that Telegram is the worst app I came across. How do you retrieve the code when you don't have access to your old phone? And now this user also replied to his comment and say that exactly, how can I access my stolen old phone? I reply that Telegram is actually one of the best messaging apps for privacy and security. But yes, if you lose your phone, it's so tricky. Now the solution is you need to log in with the same number and the new phone. Now in case your number is lost, or in your comment you mentioned stolen, you can go to your nearest carrier so that you upgrade your number or you replace the number so that they give you another SIM card but of the same number. Otherwise, I'm so sorry, Telegram can't verify you for security reasons. So let's head over to our fourth comment. So this user says that Telegram has locked my account for 24 hours due to multiple failed passcode attempts. Now this can be referred to as a temporary security lock. Slogan is making sure that it protects your account from people that try to impersonate you. As I mentioned before in the video, I told you that you need to wait for around 24 hours to 48 hours before you attempt to re-log in or try doing anything, because the more you do it, the more time extended. Now this user asked if I heard Telegram never returns stolen accounts to the original owner because it's tied to the hacker's number. Is it true? Yes, obviously that is true. If someone has access to your account versus a hacker, they can hack your account and change your number. Now that will signal to Telegram that that's the owner of the account. So your account will be gone for good. I'm so sorry about that. But in some cases, if you notice any hack, you need to react so fast. So Telegram cannot restore it. It has a strict privacy policy. But in this case, I advise you to always enable the two-step verification. I think I will do a video about it. You enable the two-step verification in your Telegram account. I think I've done it. Try watching my previous videos, but I think I'll just do a detailed video because this will help you out. Now the above are the solutions and tips. Now basing on your comments, these are the 5 ways to fix your Telegram login. You need to check your maybe Telegram desktop or Telegram on your other phone. You make sure that whenever you check these devices, you may find out that the code has been sent to these devices themselves. If Telegram locks you out or it gives you a wait for 24 hours, wait for a certain period, you need to give it time. Just forget that you have a Telegram account. Then you will resume after 1 day or 2 days or even 3 days. Because it depends on how aggressive you are. If you can't wait, then it will postpone your time always. Now if you lost your phone or SIM card, make sure that you just replace your SIM card since it's the one that is in the Telegram database, so you can receive the code using your number. Then you need to enable the two-step verification. Now this adds a password in case someone logs in your account, they will not be able to access it since it will require a two-step verification. So just take the two-step verification as your password, your secret password. So you see, most of the Telegram login issues come from too many attempts, lost numbers, or restrict security policies. It is frustrating, but that's why Telegram is one of the best secure messaging platforms out there. Now, if you're having challenges, try to use the methods that I've mentioned above. And if these methods worked for you, let us know in the comment section. And if they didn't work for you, please make sure that you let us know in the comment section. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.